Welcome to week 7, the third session on the topic pre-event activities and planning. Introduction. Event planning is the energizing art of choreographing people and activities in order to create an event that creates memories of a lifetime. Event activities are required to be meticulously planned at all stages, and particularly when you are just 3 to 4 weeks away. These crucial steps serve as the final touch points, shaping and elevating the impending event experience for all participants. In this detailed exploration, we unveil the intricacies underscoring the significance of these late stage pre event activities, spotlighting 10 indispensable steps that collectively contribute to the event's imminent success. From fine tuning logistics to ensuring speaker readiness and financial precision, each facet plays a pivotal role in the seamless execution of a remarkable event. Join as we navigate through these crucial final preparations, understanding their profound influence in shaping an immersive and unforgettable event experience in the upcoming weeks. If your event is coming up in a few weeks, you will need to start communicating with all the stakeholders outside your organization and continue coordinating with them. Here are essential pre-event activities. Building essential documents for your team, general to-do lists. Establishing comprehensive checklists is foundational for ensuring that every team member is aligned in their responsibilities, fostering a synchronized and efficient approach. These to-do lists should encompass not only overarching event tasks, but also specific assignments for each team member. Regular updates and collaborative platforms can enhance communication within the team, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding their responsibilities. The continuous refinement of these lists through team feedback and real-time updates contributes to adaptive and effective task management, event goals, objectives, and KPIs. Clearly defining and communicating the overarching purpose and measurable key performance indicators of the event provides a shared strategic framework for the entire team. In this extended version, we emphasize the importance of a collaborative process in setting these goals. It involves brainstorming sessions, team discussions, and a collective effort to align individual tasks with the broader event objectives. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of ownership and shared responsibility among team members, creating a unified vision. Budget docs. The development of detailed budget documents is a critical aspect that encompasses all financial considerations, providing transparency and informed decision making. In this elaboration, we delve into the specifics of budget creation, emphasizing the need for meticulous research on cost estimates, negotiation skills in dealing with vendors, and a contingency plan for unforeseen expenses. A detailed budget breakdown for various aspects of the event, including venue, catering, and marketing, ensures a comprehensive financial roadmap. Regular financial check-ins and adaptive budget adjustments contribute to financial agility. Design requirements. Clearly outlining design specifications for promotional and event materials is essential for maintaining brand consistency and ensuring a polished visual identity. In this expanded version, we explore the creative aspect of design requirements. It involves collaborating with graphic designers, considering feedback from team members, and incorporating innovative elements to make the event visually appealing. This detailed approach to design enhances the overall aesthetic quality, contributing to a memorable attendee experience. The iterative design process with team input and creativity results in visually striking materials that resonate with the audience. Finalized presentation, speech topics. Collaborating with speakers to refine and confirm their presentation or speech topics ensures that the content aligns seamlessly with the overall theme and goals of the event. In this elaboration, we emphasize the iterative process of topic finalization. It involves open communication with speakers, feedback sessions to fine-tune content, and a collaborative approach to ensure alignment with the event's narrative. This iterative process contributes to the development of engaging and relevant presentations, fostering a speaker lineup that resonates with the audience. Bioinformation photo. Gathering comprehensive bioinformation and high-quality photos is crucial for creating compelling speaker profiles and effective promotional materials. In this extended version, we explore the storytelling aspect of speaker bios. It involves crafting narratives that not only highlight professional achievements but also provide a personal touch, creating a connection with the audience. Additionally, the emphasis is placed on the importance of professional photos that capture the speaker's personality and resonate with the event's overall theme. The storytelling approach adds a human touch, making speakers relatable to the audience. Travel and accommodation arrangements. Ensuring that all travel and accommodation logistics are finalized well in advance contributes to a seamless and stress-free experience for speakers. This expansion delves into the intricacies of travel coordination, including considerations for transportation preferences, accommodation comfort, and any specific needs or preferences of the speakers. A proactive approach to travel arrangement ensures that speakers can focus on delivering their best during the event. Personalized travel arrangements contribute to speaker satisfaction and positively impact their on-stage performance. Securing signed contracts. Securing signed contracts, if applicable, is a vital step in formalizing commitments and expectations between the event organizers and the speakers. In this elaboration, we emphasize the legal and professional aspects of contract agreements. It involves clear communication of terms, mutual understanding, and legal review to ensure that both parties are aligned on expectations. A transparent and collaborative contract process fosters a positive working relationship between organizers and speakers, contributing to a smooth and professional event. Promotion by speakers. Encouraging speakers to actively promote the event within their networks maximizes outreach and enhances the overall visibility of the occasion. This extended version explores strategies for speaker engagement in promotional activities. It involves providing speakers with promotional materials, social media assets, and a comprehensive promotion timeline. Collaborative efforts with speakers amplify the event's reach, attracting a broader audience and generating buzz leading up to the event. Regular communication and support for speakers in their promotional efforts strengthen the partnership between speakers and organizers. Determine registration fees. Establishing reasonable registration fees considering the perceived value of the event is crucial for attracting the target audience and ensuring financial viability. In this elaboration, we delve into the strategic aspects of fee determination. It involves market research to understand attendee expectations, value propositions associated with different registration tiers, and a data-driven approach to pricing. A well-thought-out fee structure not only ensures financial sustainability but also communicates value to attendees. Regular assessment of fee structures based on market dynamics ensures competitiveness and maximizes attendee participation. User-friendly online registration. Enabling a user-friendly online registration process streamlines participant engagement, making it convenient for attendees to sign up. This expanded version explores the user experience aspect of online registration. It involves optimizing registration forms for simplicity, ensuring mobile responsiveness, and incorporating secure payment gateways. An intuitive and efficient online registration system enhances the attendee experience, encouraging higher registration numbers. Continuous testing and optimization of the online registration process contribute to a seamless and user-friendly registration experience. Sponsor levels and amounts. Finalizing sponsorship details and ensuring alignment with the event's objectives contribute to building strong partnerships and financial support. In this elaboration, we explore the strategic approach to sponsor engagement. It involves customizing sponsorship packages to align with sponsor objectives, conducting collaborative meetings to understand sponsor expectations, and maintaining transparent communication throughout the sponsorship process. A strategic and collaborative sponsorship approach fosters long-term partnerships. Regular updates and engagement with sponsors throughout the event life cycle strengthen relationships and encourage continued support. Items underwritten and accounting details. Identifying items to be underwritten and establishing meticulous accounting practices are essential for financial transparency and effective resource allocation. In this extended version, we delve into the strategic considerations of underwriting. It involves identifying key event elements suitable for underwriting, collaborating with potential underwriters, and ensuring clear communication of the underwriting process. Meticulous accounting practices, including transparent reporting and adherence to financial regulations, enhance the credibility of the event. Regular financial reporting and updates contribute to stakeholder confidence and trust. Details regarding menu, AV equipment, registration setup, parking, signage, etc. Thoroughly determining and arranging all logistical details ensures a smooth and well-organized event experience for attendees. In this elaboration, we delve into the multifaceted aspects of logistics planning. It involves coordinating with vendors for diverse menu options, conducting tech check-ins for AV equipment, optimizing the registration setup for efficiency, and planning parking and signage for seamless navigation. Attention to these details contributes to a positive overall impression of the event. Regular walkthroughs and rehearsals at the venue enhance preparedness and identify potential logistical challenges. Virtual event considerations. In the context of virtual events, additional considerations such as platform testing and accessibility features become crucial for success. This extended version explores the nuances of virtual event planning. It involves testing virtual experiences to ensure a glitch-free online event, implementing live captioning for inclusivity, and ensuring platform compatibility with assistive technology. These considerations are essential for creating an engaging and accessible virtual event environment. Regular tech rehearsals and accessibility checks contribute to a seamless virtual experience. Security needs and collaboration with venue manager. Collaborating with the venue manager to review security needs and plans is imperative for creating a safe and secure event environment. In this elaboration, we explore the collaborative aspect of security planning. It involves open communication with the venue manager, addressing any specific security concerns, and developing a comprehensive security plan. A collaborative approach ensures that both event organizers and venue managers are aligned on security protocols, creating a secure environment for all attendees. Regular updates and coordination with security personnel contribute to a proactive and effective security strategy. Special permits, licenses, insurance, etc. Ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements involves thorough investigation and documentation of permits, licenses, and insurance. This expanded version delves into the meticulous process of compliance. It involves conducting a comprehensive review of legal requirements, obtaining necessary permits, and securing appropriate insurance coverage. Proactive compliance measures minimize legal risks and contribute to the overall smooth execution of the event. Regular audits and updates on compliance requirements ensure ongoing adherence to regulations. Develop draft program. Creating a comprehensive and engaging draft program sets the tone for the event and provides attendees with a clear overview of what to expect. In this expanded version, we delve into the creative process of program development. It involves incorporating diverse elements to cater to different interests, ensuring a balanced schedule and considering attendee feedback from previous events. A creative and attendee-focused program enhances the overall event experience. Regular updates to the program based on attendee feedback and emerging trends contribute to a dynamic and engaging event schedule. Create draft event script. Developing a detailed event script involves meticulous planning of scripted elements, ensuring a structured and well-paced flow. In this elaboration, we explore the creative and organizational aspects of script writing. It involves crafting engaging introductions, expressions of gratitude, and closing remarks. Additionally, attention to the timing and sequencing of scripted elements ensures a smooth and memorable event presentation. Regular rehearsals and script reviews contribute to a polished and well-executed event. Develop publicity pieces. Producing diverse publicity materials contributes to widespread awareness of the event across various channels. In this expanded version, we delve into the strategic aspects of publicity material creation. It involves tailoring materials for different media, incorporating compelling narratives, and utilizing visuals for maximum impact. A strategic approach to publicity pieces enhances engagement and attracts diverse audiences. Regular updates and adaptations of publicity materials based on audience response and emerging trends contribute to ongoing effectiveness in promoting the event. Request logos from corporate sponsors. Incorporating logos from corporate sponsors into promotional materials enhances the credibility and visibility of the event. This elaboration emphasizes the collaborative aspect of sponsor engagement. It involves maintaining open communication with sponsors, understanding their branding requirements, and ensuring timely inclusion of logos in promotional materials. Collaborative efforts with sponsors contribute to a mutually beneficial partnership. Regular sponsor check-ins and updates on promotional activities ensure that sponsor visibility aligns with their expectations. Develop and produce invitations, programs, posters, tickets, etc. Designing and producing physical materials, including invitations, programs, posters, and tickets, contributes to the professional and polished appearance of the event. In this extended version, we delve into the creative aspects of material design. It involves collaborating with graphic designers, incorporating consistent branding elements, and ensuring a visually appealing layout. Creative and professionally designed materials enhance the overall aesthetics of the event. Develop media list and prepare media kit materials. Creating a comprehensive media list and preparing media kit materials streamline interactions with the press and media outlets. In this elaboration, we explore the strategic aspects of media engagement. It involves tailoring materials to different media outlets, providing relevant speaker information and photos, and ensuring timely contribution. A strategic media engagement plan enhances the event's visibility in diverse media channels. Create event page on your website. Establishing a dedicated event page on the organization's website serves as a central hub for information. In this extended version, we delve into the user experience aspect of website design. It involves optimizing the event page for accessibility, incorporating interactive elements, and ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible. A user-friendly event page enhances the image of the event. Determine VIPs and create invitation and tracking document. Identifying and inviting VIPs to your event is a strategic step to enhance prestige and networking opportunities. In this process, a detailed invitation and tracking document, typically in the form of a spreadsheet, plays a pivotal role. The document should include essential details such as the names and affiliations of VIPs, their contact information, preferred communication channels, and any specific requirements or preferences they may have. Creating a personalized and well-designed invitation adds a touch of exclusivity, expressing the significance of their presence. The tracking document ensures systematic follow-up, noting responses, confirmations, or any special considerations. This organized approach helps in managing VIP interactions efficiently, contributing to a seamless and prestigious event experience. Order any desired event swag. Event swag or promotional merchandise serves as tangible reminders of the event and can contribute to brand awareness. Ordering event swag involves selecting and procuring items that align with the event theme or brand identity. This can range from branded merchandise such as pens, notepads, or USB drives to more elaborate and customized items like t-shirts, mugs, or exclusive giveaways. The key is to choose items that resonate with the target audience and enhance their overall event experience. Coordinating with suppliers, ensuring timely delivery, and considering the practicality and quality of the swag items are crucial aspects of this process. Thoughtful event swag can leave a lasting impression, extending the event's impact beyond its duration. Closure of early bird tickets. As the event date approaches, it becomes imperative to conclude the early bird ticket phase. This involves officially ending the discounted ticket offer to incentivize early registrations. Event organizers need to effectively communicate the closure both through email reminders to potential attendees and updates on various promotional channels. Simultaneously, the transition to standard pricing should be seamless with clear instructions and visible changes on the event management's platform's registration process. This ensures a smooth shift from the early bird phase to standard pricing, maintaining transparency and fairness for all participants. Finalize and proofread printed materials. In the weeks leading up to the event, meticulous attention should be given to all printed materials such as brochures. Finalizing involves ensuring that all content is accurate, relevant, and aligned with the event's objectives. The proofreading phase is crucial to identify and rectify any copy errors, including spelling, punctuation, and grammar issues. Additionally, organizers should be vigilant for brand discrepancies, ensuring consistency in messaging and design across all printed materials. A thorough review guarantees that the printed materials are polished, error-free, and effectively represent the event's professionalism and brand identity. Conclusion. As we conclude this insightful journey, just weeks away from the grand event, the significance of meticulous pre-event activities becomes even more pronounced. These final maneuvers, executed with precision and attention to detail, are the ultimate choreography of success in the event coordination dance. Recognizing the pivotal role played by these late-stage measures sets the stage for flawlessly executed occasions that resonate deeply with participants. The importance of a finely tuned strategy, coupled with proactive engagement and detailed execution, takes center stage in these final weeks. Through these concerted efforts, events evolve into extraordinary experiences, leaving an indelible mark on the collective memory of all participants. Each detail, from last-minute logistics to participant engagement strategies, contributes to the arrangement of anticipation. As organizers fine-tune the elements of the grand production, there is a sense of shared excitement and commitment among the team. It is in these moments that the collaborative efforts of everyone involved converge, setting the stage for a memorable event that promises not just to meet expectations, but to exceed them.